Hello again. So we've explored SMS and push notifications as direct messaging. Now let's conclude with the email feature. Email as a direct messaging has been in place for most of the e-commerce. Most of the successful e-commerce leverage this channel in order to keep direct communication and highly personalized engagement with their users. Let's see how we can leverage the email marketing and email automation for your marketing effort. When we hover and convert it in the direct messaging section, you'll find the email. In the email, you can create campaigns, whether it's one-time, automated, or segmented emails. Similar to the SMS and push notifications, it follows the same principle. You can strategically think of how to interact with the users that they've provided emails. So let's take one important use case for the email, which is the cart recovery. In the automation section, we hit Next. We specify the language to be English, and then we make a discount for the abandoned cart. You will have multiple templates that you can actually use in a plug-and-play fashion in order to engage with your users. So with this, you start with Next. You name your campaign. You select the subject line, which is in this case, for example, don't miss your cart. And then, similar to the SMS and push notifications, you can specify the start trigger and the end goal. In this case, to place an order, and you can trigger the email, for example, after 10 minutes of the abandoned cart, and then hit Next, and then Next. So here's the campaign summary or the automation flow. Once a user adds a product to cart, wait 10 minutes, then send an email, and then once the customer places an order, the automation trigger is stopped for this specific user. And then you can send the test email to make sure that automation flow is properly set up and all the different copywriting is well in place. Once you publish this, you will have the automation trigger set for the email channel. So imagine this. You as an e-commerce have made an automation flow for your SMS, for your push notifications, and for your email. So once a user adds a specific item to the cart and leaves, now you have the ability to track this user and track what item they've added and then start to engage with them, whether it's an SMS, push notification, or the email. Let's take another example for the email marketing, which is sending bulk email or broadcast for all the users. You hit direct messaging, email, create campaign, one-time campaign, and then let's specify this. Flash sale for 24-hour, and then Next. And then here, you create the subject tagline for you, or you can generate using the AI. And then here, very important thing that is allowed through the email gateway, which is how to retarget non-openers. In Converted In, you can specify if you'd like to retarget users who have not opened the email, or just choose to retarget users who open the email. This will let you to focus your attention on those users who interact with your emails, and those who don't will be dropped out of the equation. Also, another dimension is selecting the recipients, which is what customer segment you would like to send an email for. Or if you'd like to exclude a specific segment, for example, I'd like to exclude all the people who have made a purchase today or this week from the offer that I've just made. Once you have included the segment that you'd like to target or excluded certain people that you don't wish the email to be received, then you click Next and launch your email. Here, similar to the SMS and push notification, it allows you to do either bulk, segmented, or one-to-one automation for your users. Let's recap all this. With the direct messaging, you have highly effective communication method with your users and relatively at a cheaper cost than social media and search engine. And also, you keep your users updated with all your promotions and all their special offers that are made for them. Additionally, if any of your users make a certain action in your website, you have their own data, and now you can retarget them with special offer on a one-to-one level, whether it's an SMS, push notification, or email. As you may think of any successful e-commerce, if you think about it, you will find them highly interacting with their users through the direct messaging. Having direct messaging in place is foundational right now, and you need to start to implement and execute direct messaging strategies and track how they are performing with their users. With that in mind, that concludes the module for the direct messaging, and we've shown how you can seamlessly integrate all the direct messaging into your marketing efforts and how you can launch highly effective communication through bulk, segmented, or personalized messaging throughout SMS, email, or push notifications.